The next part of the process is going to be taking our designs and documenting them. And the documentation part of this is either for, it's for a variety of reasons, but it could be for, design reviews, it could be for assembly instructions for manufacturing, it could be for cut lists or white samples that you're going to build, or that you're going to send to vendors or third parties. So this is how we do it. We start with a template, SOLIDWORKS drawing tool template. You could customize it, or you could use one of the standard ones that are available. You take your pattern pieces and you literally drag them in to the document template. Here we're using a B block. We do support other sizes depending on your industry. So for example, if you use A, C, D, or even E size drawings, that's not a problem here. So you drag your pieces in, and you can see what comes in is automatically the pattern piece layout that you've created before, and the notches and the seam allowances and other pattern features that you would have put on here. What we're going to do now is we're just going to put some other additional information in here. So you click on the exact flat drawing tools, and I'm going fast here, so if I'm going too fast, please do ask questions because I am monitoring what's in the question box. We're going to put some tables in here. So let's go ahead and put a piece table in here. So here's a table of pieces. That's all the pieces that we have. So if your sewers need to make sure they got all the pieces in their order, this is the way to do that. We're going to put piece balloons on this. This is particularly useful if you're making products that have very similar pieces. So for example, for a lot of composite parts, they may have pieces which are very similar in size. They may be off by 1/4 of an inch or 1/2 an inch or things like that, and it's difficult to know which piece is which. Well, this is a way that you can help your assemblers and your sewers and your layup technicians to very quickly identify the pieces that are part of their task list. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to we're just going to change the layer type. We're going to put a material table in here. And if we had, for example, different types of materials, this is a shoe. We've just decided that all these materials are one, but we very much easily could have different, types of materials for the heat cup or the toe cup or the side pieces, or perhaps a logo or something like that, or a reinforcing patch. All of that can be done very easily. Okay, so just continuing on here. So now, in a matter of, say 30 to 60 minutes or so, you can have this whole project laid out for design review. And you could do it in a way which is very, very, very efficient, that allows you to focus on the design intent and the key objectives that your design is supposed to achieve, versus going through all of the administrative work to get your designs into the position where you're ready to review everything.